Good day everyone, I'm OlaMaye and welcome to my channel. Today we have a what TF did I order video. So let's go ahead and cut the tape y'all and see what it is. The seller reused a Bath and Body Works box. And it's kind of heavy y'all, so I'm really hoping that this is not an item that should be in a bigger box, because it does have some weight to it. So let's see y'all. And if this is your first time watching my channel, if you feel like as you watch that you would like to see more of my content, feel free to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you are made aware each time I upload a video. Thank you so much to all of my returning subscribers and viewers. I really do appreciate you all. Okay. So this is not bad for packaging, since this is not a full leather bag. So that's good. Just double check and see if there's anything else in the box. There is not. Alright y'all, so we got us a Coach bag. I believe this silhouette is called a Carly. And I have some Carlys in other prints, but this is signature denim. So I'm glad I was able to get this, y'all. As I mentioned in my it was a Coach haul video with my accessories, y'all. The prices started going up on the vintage denim, signature denim pieces by Coach. So I got this one at a very good price. I'm trying to remember what it was, because I remember seeing about 3 of these, and this was the lowest price of the 3. But before I speak too soon as far as how good of a deal it was, let me look it over to be sure. The interior, it has been used, but it's not bad. They didn't leave a whole bunch of cookie crumbs inside. This is a look at the Coach leather patch there, with the number and everything on it. Not sure what this hook is for on the inside. Maybe for a wristlet, I don't know. It also has a zipper on the other side. So front and back has zipper. And this one has 2 slip pockets. The trim across the top, it is leather, as well as the handle or strap. It does have the Coach hang tag there. And this side detaches. So I can add an extender to this side if I want to. And y'all, this is heavy. It has some weight on it. But this is indeed signature denim, y'all. And it does have the Coach Leatherwear 1941 embossment or stamp there. But I would say it's in pretty good condition. It looks like a little bit of a stain there, but I will try to get that out with a wipe. So I just need to clean this up some and carry it, y'all. It's in very good condition. Let me see if I can stuff it. And that way you can see how it really looks. I hope I have enough stuff in here that I just took out of another bag for a previous unboxing. And I didn't throw it away right away. This This is a pretty big bag. I believe the colors I have this silhouette in are, I have it in black, I believe, and brown and tan, and I think I have it in a black and gray, but I know for sure, no, I have it in black, brown, like an all chocolate, but it has the signature C's, I think. I have to double check, y'all. My older Coach collection of bags. I love the long leather pull tab on here as well. But yeah, they carry this bag, y'all. So I'll need to put some, in addition to kind of going over the denim, I need to put some conditioner and everything on the leather. But the glazing on the handle, everything is good. It's not coming apart or anything. But this is cute. Cuteness. And I will just let you all see the comparison of this denim, signature denim, compared to the most recent signature denim that came out, so that you can clearly see the difference between the two. This looks like blue jean, and this looks like a darker, much darker wash. So if you all are in the looks for some of the older Coach denim pieces, this will give you a good comparison of the differences that you will see if you get any and have them to compare to. A previous video where I also got a signature denim drawstring bag. I don't have it stuffed, but this is a Mickey drawstring bag. You can also see the difference in this signature denim as well. It's like each time they release some signature denim, they switch it up some. So clear differences in all three of these. So I guess that's something that Coach kind of likes to play with, is putting out different shades of denim to switch it up each time they release it. But this is pretty, y'all. So this again is I believe it's a Carly, and it's considered vintage to some, and it is a hobo. The strap is not adjustable, but one side is removable. So I can add an extender in it to give it a little bit more shoulder drop length. So this is navy, but it looks black. And with it being denim, I can, of course, put many kinds of accessories with it, any color. If you all have seen how I have been dressing up and changing the colors and color coordinations with my large Coach Rowan, then you know for sure that denim, really any color can go with denim. But this is a very, very pretty bag. Let me know what you all think. If you have this silhouette in your collection, if you have it in a different color, if you just so happen to have this signature denim print as well, or if you have this print in a different silhouette from back in the day. And it does have feet, y'all. That's rare for a slouchy bag to have feet. My other vintage denim bag does not have feet on it, so that is a feature of this particular silhouette. Beautiful bag. And I did mention again in my previous video that once the signature denim collection was released, older vintage bags, y'all, the prices started going up on them a lot. They went up, I would say, at least by $50 or more. The sellers started adding on to the vintage Coach pieces as soon as the popularity of the new collection became what it was. So, but that's it, y'all. Again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. Thank you for watching, liking, subscribing, commenting, and sharing. I really do appreciate it. And I will see you all in the next video.